This is the unboxing of the mythical collection darkrai. With this fabulous pen. My gosh, it's beautiful. And let's open it up. Yes, of course. Ah! Perfect. What's that? Oh, it's... Okay, so this is the thing that says all this stuff. We get Mew, Celebi, Jirachi, Darkrai, Manaphy, Shaman, Arceus, Victini, Keldeo, Genesect. I've never heard of Meloetta. Probably have, actually, but that does not mean anything. Because I forget half the stuff. Now, let's open it. Ugh. Open. Fine, I'll just open it like this. Flip it over. And take out the box. Don't worry, I'll remember which side is which. Okay, so this one on this side and this one on this side. And I'll show you the darkrai first. So. Code thingy. Great looking darkrai pen. Or thingy, whatever you call it. I think it's called a pen. Oh, one side's darkrai and the other side's like a shiny color of Pokeballs. That's awesome. It shines. Stick that right there. And then you've got... Come out! Make it out! Ah! Jeez. Whatever. This cost me $13, man. There we go. There's my darkrai. Looks great. As you can see, it has... Here, I'll show you the moves. There's 2 energy, Dark Cutter does 30. 3 energy, Abyssal Sleep, 80 damage. And that's all I'm going to tell you. But I do tell you the news. I'm especially going to tell you for Darkrai. So here, let me tell you the statistics of Abyssal Sleep. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now asleep. Your opponent flips 2 coins instead of 1 between turns. If either of them is tails, that Pokemon is still asleep. There's the print to prove what I just said. There. Sit that back. I'll do this with Darkrai. You're not going to see the code. You never will. It's my code. I'll probably use that on, I don't know. I'll use it somewhere. Okay, now. Let's take out the cards. Got Ghastly with Sleep Poison, 50 health. Fire Energy. Tangela with 80 health. And Absorb and Vine Whip. Zubat with 50 health and Skill Dive. Reverse Hollow Meowth. I think it's Reverse Hollow. It's either a hollow or it's some form of hollow. Meow Stick. That looks like some kind of hollow too. Gyarados. Oh wait, I forgot. Meowth has Exhausted Tackle. Meowstick has Ear Influence and Psychic. Gyarados has Berserker Splash and Aqua Tail. Got Gulpin with Starvin. Pokemon Center Lady. Evo Soda. And that's that for that pack. Put the phone right there, because that's my recording equipment. Stick it in how it was. This will only take a second. Then we'll get to the next pack. Curses, go in! Go in! There we go. They win. They're going in. No. Okay, there we go. So that beautiful Pokemon pack right there. And let's do the Charizard pack. Let's grab one out here. We got Ponyta, 60 health, Agility, and Flametail. Magikarp with Epic Splash and 30 health. Grass Energy. Diglett with 50 health, Mine, and Mudslap. Team Flare Grunt. Looks like some kind of hollow. Slurpuff. 90 health, Lap Up, and Fairy Wind. Hitmonlee with 90 health, got Stretch Kick and Spiral Kick. Got a Swablu, 40 health, Bind Wound. Haunter, 70 health, Ability Gothic Fear, and Poison Ring attack. And then we've got Shauna, photo card. That's it. Stick it out in there. Now you get to stare at the sky while I put these back. And then I'll tell you everything else. The ending stuff. So, okay. That was the mythical Pokemon Darkrai unboxing thingy. Box thing unboxing. There. Said it perfect. Here's my pen Darkrai. And I'm going to put this on. No, I'm going to put it on, but it's not going to. It's not. Hold on. Here. Sit it like that. And just stick it through like that. Put this thing in. There we go. Perfect. Now, I've got my little Darkrai pen. You can see that perfectly. And then, just Darkrai and my face. This is Dark Shadow 55 Gaming with my first Pokemon unboxing. And this is my favorite Pokemon. If you want to know, it's Darkrai's my favorite. And that's all for this episode. Goodbye.